Quantum of punishment has been announced for the pastor, Yeshu famed pastor, Bajinder Singh, controversial in the 2018 case. We'll just try and get a sense because there's a lot of security. The Mohali DSP is here. Mr. Karan, sir, do tell us, a lot of security arrangements were put in place. Where is he going to be taken? Because, you know, life imprisonment has been announced.
Ma'am, this is a court matter. We have taken adequate security precautions and everything is just peaceful now.
What we also know is that a lot of protesters came out, they stamped on the photograph. So there is obviously a concern because he has millions of followers.
Ma'am, see, our duty is to ensure proper law and order, and we have adequately done that, and proper cordon has been done, and he has been taken out peacefully.
And where is he being taken to?
Ma'am, that the court has pronounced, so that is for security reasons we cannot disclose.
All right, enough security arrangements have been done, and look at the posse of policemen around here. And there was a concern that the followers, which are obviously in droves, that is a concern. But remember, Pastor Bajinder being taken out, and there has been a huge setback to his followers. Now, remember, this controversy began in 2018, a Zirakpur rape case. A woman in her 20s actually had registered an FIR because in 2017, as a follower, she would keep meeting him. And that's when she said that the drink was intoxicated. And it is only later she found out that while she was asleep because of the intoxication, the pastor had raped her. Thereafter was a long 8-year-old struggle with this entire case. And remember, she said there were intimidation, there were threats coming in, a lot of pressure, even money was offered to the tune of 5 crore rupees, but she did not cave in. She fought this very much battle, and then thereafter the trouble also began because we saw the Hoshiarpur court, the Hoshiarpur case coming up. Then we also saw the case where there was another woman in Mohali, a staffer who had alleged physical assault. So the trouble was mounting. Meanwhile, the controversial pastor, whose long journey he claimed in several of his videos that he had almost magical powers. But this is where the end of the controversy, in a sense, because he will have to face other cases as well. But a big moment coming in, especially in Mohali court, a POCSO court announcing life imprisonment for a controversial pastor with millions on social media following him. A huge setback really coming in. But meanwhile, the victim is saying, finally, after 8 long years, the justice has prevailed.
कम से कम 20 साल सजा होनी चाहिए उसको, कम से कम। जिस तरह का वो दरिंदा है, जिस तरह उसने किया है, कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं है केस क्या है क्या नहीं है, गलत कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं और किसी को पता ही नहीं 2018 में केस हुआ था। वो तो अपने आप को बहुत सच्चा सुच्चा दिखा रहा था, लेकिन जिस तरह का वो दरिंदा है, कम से कम उसको 20 साल सजा होनी चाहिए।
आप इतने सालों से लड़ाई लड़ रही हैं, इस दौरान क्या क्या मुश्किलात हैं?
मैंने सर को पहले बताया हुआ है, मैं बार बार उस चीज को फेस नहीं करना चाहती हूँ। प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है।
With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Mohali for India Today.